Hi everyone, this is Dana Brooks, HR Manager for the Catholic Diocese of Arlington. In this presentation, I will review the new process for managing time away from work requests. Those assigned with the Timekeeper or Processor role will be able to review, approve, and edit the time away from work requests of their assigned employees and run a time away from work calendar report to see who's taking time off in the upcoming month. The timekeeper must regularly check for employee requests for time away from work. You will not receive an email alert notifying you of pending requests, so it's probably a good idea to check the Message Center on a regular basis. To review, approve, and edit time away from work requests, click on the approval icon in the Dayforce Message Center. The Dayforce Message Center is located at the top right corner of any Dayforce screen. An orange dot on the approval icon indicates that a time away request is pending approval. When clicking on the approval icon, all of the pending time away from work requests that have been submitted by your assigned employees will display. They are reflected with an orange circle. Timekeepers may execute decisions directly from the screen. On the screen, you will see the employee's name, the date of the request, and start and stop times if it is a partial day request. To approve a request, click on the Approve block. To deny a request, click on the Deny block. A timekeeper may wish to view the detailed request before making a decision or may need to edit the pending request before approving. The detailed request includes the employee's leave balance and comments. Please remember, the system will not allow the employee to submit a leave request that exceeds their current balance. To review and/or edit a pending request, click on the entry of interest. Once the entry is open, the start and end dates may be changed by clicking on the calendar to the right of the fields. The leave type may be changed by clicking on the drop-down for the reason field. It is good practice to enter a comment in the manager comment box, especially if you're making an edit that the employee didn't specifically request. Click on the Approve block to approve the original or revised request. Click on the Deny block to deny the original request. Click on the Save block to keep the request in a pending status. Sometimes employees have unplanned absences. Timekeepers and processors are able to submit leave requests for assigned employees who are unable or who have forgotten to do so. To submit a leave request for an assigned employee, click on the Request New Time Off option. Select the employee's record from the Employee drop-down menu. Then, select the type of leave from the Reason menu. Enter the start and end dates. It's always a good idea to enter a comment in the Manager Comment section when submitting leave on behalf of the employee. Then select Approve. Now we're going to talk about how to edit previously approved time away from work requests. Sometimes employees request to change or cancel their previously approved leave requests. Employees can cancel their own requests. To change their own request, employees must cancel the original request and submit a new one. Timekeepers may also change or cancel the request on behalf of the employee. To do so, you must locate the employee's record. Start by clicking on Filter and Sort. Next, enter the last name of the employee in the Employee Name field. For status, make sure that the background for the option is solid gray. Clicking on the option will change from solid gray to graduated gray and vice versa. Next, enter a date range. Click on the actionable icon to turn it gray. This will turn it off. Then click Apply. Click on the entry of interest to open it in a detailed view. When editing previously approved time away from work requests, the start and end dates may be changed by clicking on the calendar to the right of the field. The leave type may be changed by clicking on the drop-down for the reason field. A comment may be entered in the Manager Comment section. Click Save to save the changes and keep the approval. Click Deny to cancel the previously approved request. Now let's look at reviewing time away from work requests for a specific date range. Timekeepers can use the Filter and Sort option to view the request for all employees for a specific date range and/or for a specific type of request. Timekeepers who have assigned employees in multiple locations can filter further on location. Timekeepers who have other timekeepers assigned to them can filter on the Manager field in order to view the leave requests submitted to those timekeepers. To begin, leave the employee name field blank. For status, make sure that the background for the option is solid gray. Clicking on the option will change from solid gray to graduated gray and vice versa. Then enter a date range. Click on the actionable icon to turn it gray. This will turn it off. Then click Apply. Now we'll talk about reports. For a different view of the time away from work requests, timekeepers have the ability to run 3 different reports. The reports may be created in Excel or PDF. If you want to look at all of the time away from work requests for a particular period for your employees, you can run a report to show you that. Or, for example, if you have a large group of employees, you may actually want to run these reports prior to reviewing and approving any leave requests so that you can properly coordinate coverage in your office. Click on the Report of Interest. The Employee Balance Report can be run to help troubleshoot balance issues. The Employee TAFW Report can be run each payroll to verify that all pending requests have been approved for the particular time period. And the TAFW Calendar Report can be run so that you can see the employee's time off in the calendar view. Select the criteria for your report, then click Run Report. When your report is ready, you will receive a message that it is available in the Message Center. Once completed, the report can be found in the Message Center. Click on the envelope link that can be found at the top right corner of your Dayforce screen. Then click Reports. Click on the name of the report and then open the report. Then you will have a report that looks like this. You can then navigate back to the home screen and click on the Approvals icon to get back to the approval page. Congratulations, you have successfully created a time away from work report.